Monalisa Art and Cultural Association gi kunmari suba foundation day ngasi ningom thong kitna panungda leiba association asigi rehearsal hall da jamathoram amaga loina pangthokre hariba association asina miyam gi thogal torakpa jai kunmari surakpaga loina pangthopa foundation day gi thoram aduda Rupmahal Theatre gi script writer and director Sri Khetrimayum Somorendra Singh, theatre director and script writer Sri Naurem Ibohal Singh amadi MAACA Imphal ki patron member Srimati Ningombam Anandi Devi na mathang sitna chief guest of honor amadi president oina thoram aduda saruk yaki thoram aduga mari lanena tongan ba cultural program singsu pangthokhi hari Manipur da lairiba universities college school kaitel amadi ka hena bot thadabagi chang nemba polling station singda chathaduna lakpa systematic voters education and electoral participation SVEEP campaign special summary revision 2025 ki sarugama oina ngasi Ziri college 𝗔𝗡𝗓 da pangthokre Hariba Thawadu Chief Electoral Officer CEO Manipur gi mijeng makhada Manipur Innovation Society MIS Imphal na haukiba October gi tang 18 dagi chaliba tha November gi tang 30 fawada tongan mafam singda pangtoktuna lakpani thawamaduda Ziri College ki Assistant Professor Dr. S. Arun Singh na haikibada Ziri College ta SVEEP campaign SRR 2025 pangtoklibagi maramdi chai 19 suraba Bharat ki voters oina oiba yaraba nupa nupi PWDs third gender asina chingba mipum khudingmakna daita leiba ki thaudang yaba ngamnaba electoral roll the voter oina ming hapa yum hongdok hongzil tauba aranba voter kakthatpa amadi ming leifam chahi aranba semdokpa sida yumpham oraga lakadoriba chai lisingani kunmanga da fongadoriba electoral roll da asingba achumba taruba asoi aran yaudaba electoral roll oihellasi haibasida mijing thamduna thoram adu pangthokpani hari thoram aduda Rajkumari Sanazawi Devi Principal Ziri College 𝗔𝗡𝗓 Vice Principal Dr. H. Joykumar Singh amadi Wahengbam Premchand District Program Coordinator Manipur Innovation Society na daista dignitaries oina famki